weapons or anything I need to know about, okay? All right, to the front, to the front, to the front, to the front. Ooh, hey! 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 Don't fucking... No! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Where you at? Where you hit? Where you hit?
I need a peg.
Okay, I got you. Right on the leg, how far up? Yeah.
My radio fell. My radio fell. Give me your radio.
I got you, don't worry.
Hi. Hi. I'm going to be off of University Center in Flamingo, the University Gardens. I'm going to be on the north side right when you...
Honoring an officer shot in the line of duty during a shootout and chase Saturday morning. That officer now back at home recovering. Metro posting this video, Officer Tierney Tamburo leaving UMC. Officers lined up outside the hospital to wish that 24-year-old well.
I would say that she's a great example of a hero police officer. She showed her courage. She showed calm under pressure. And I think she did an outstanding job. And we're all very proud of her.